family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set up Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So this is the phone right here. This is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And this phone is brand new. I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set up Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So if you stay open to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys where I bought this phone from, okay? So I'm just going to show you the full size of this phone right here. Yeah, this is the front of the phone. This is the front. This is the back. This is 6.7 inches. Yeah, it's 6.7 inches, and it's Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And as you can see right here, let me bring it close to the camera for you guys to see. Yeah, you have blue or black. Yeah, you have blue or black in here. Yeah, 128 gigabyte. It also take 2 SIMs. Yeah, you have SIM 1 and SIM 2. So let's get started. Let's open this and see. This is my brand new phone. I bought this phone for my business phone. A lot of my audience have been asking me, do you have WhatsApp number? Do you have WhatsApp number? So I was able to get brand new phone so I can be able to get a WhatsApp account for my audience to be, reaching out to me. Sorry guys. So this is the phone right here. This is the phone right here. So I'm going to be taking this phone from the pack. So before I take it from the pack, we got what we got here. Let's see what we got in here. We have something right in here. Let's see what is this. It should be, I guess this is the charger. Oh my god. I hope I opened it right. Okay. Oh, okay. They have pin right at the back right here. They have pin here. Yeah, they have pin right here. Okay, we got a pin. Yep, we have the pin right here. So let's see what next in here. Okay, so this is the charger. Yeah, this is the charger right here. I don't know why this phone, they don't usually bring a USB cord for this charger. So this is the charger right here. Yeah, this is the charger. We're still open to the end of this and I have just a little menu right here. This is quick start guide, theme and condition here. You have little menu right in here. So I'm going to be putting it back. I'll read the menu later. We're just going to be unboxing and setting up. So I'll be putting the charger right here. Yeah. And then let's see what next in the box right here. Okay, there is nothing in this box. Nothing in there is empty. This one. So I think this is where the phone is. Yeah. So now let's get into the phone, guys. I'm super excited to use this phone as my business phone. A lot of audience have been asking me, do you got WhatsApp number? Yes, I do. I have a WhatsApp number, but I cannot give my private account as a business account. So I bought this new phone. So, okay. Do we have special way to open this? Okay, I'm just going to open it just however. Okay, guys. Guys, how should I open this? I'm trying to be careful because if they don't have problem, I'm going to return it. According to Best Buy, the return policy is 15 days. So, yeah. So, this is the brand new phone right here. This phone is brand new phone right in here. Oh my god, this is new. So I'm going to be starting this phone right here, guys. Have you seen this? Do you see this? Okay. So this is the phone. I'm I'm so excited for my new phone. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use this new phone right here. Guys, yeah. I'm working on getting the camera stand. I like this. They have 3 camera right at the back. And I also have place for touch. For this one right here is for the touch. And have 3 camera right here. So let's start this one and see. I love it. Yeah, I love it. So they have the fingerprint stuff right here, and they also have the on and off button. So I'm going to be putting this on right here. Hope you guys gonna see this, okay? Yeah, so this is Samsung Galaxy A16 powered by Android. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it on and let it start. It takes maybe a few minutes for it to start. So guys, just hold on just a minute. It will soon be getting ready. Like it's getting ready. Mm-hmm. So a lot of time my audience be asking me, do you have account number? You have account number? So now we just done with the unboxing process. It's time to start this, okay? So what we have here is welcome. They welcoming you, they say welcome, and they have English, they have start. So I don't know your language, but as for me, I speak English. So it's already on English. But just in case you speak another language, you're gonna press right here and just choose the language you want to use, okay? For me, I speak English, so I'm just going to press right here to start. Yep. Okay. It says for your review, you have to, press all of this stuff. I agree to Samsung terms and condition. So all of this stuff, if you agree to, then you're going to press this one right here. Yeah. Agree to all of them. Then you hit the box agree right here. Hit the box agree.